We will hear an inspiring message from a woman whose leadership and vision have been vital in shaping the future of Filipino combat sports. Please welcome Miss Perla May Tagakay.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the press conference of Fuego Todo. Thank you for taking the time to join us today, whether you're here in person or tuning in remotely. Your presence means the world to us as we embark in the exciting journey. As many of you know, Fuego Todo is more than just a promotion. It's a vision, a collaboration, and a celebration of creativity and culture. This is a milestone we've been eagerly anticipating, and today, we're thrilled to share with you all the passion and hard work that has gone into bringing the vision to life. In the next few minutes, you'll hear about the inspiration behind Fuego Todo, the talented individuals and the teams who've made it possible, and the incredible experiences we're creating for our audience. We hope that you'll feel the same excitement that we do, and you'll share in our enthusiasm for what's coming next. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to express our deepest gratitude to each of you, the media, the partners, the sponsors, fighters, and supporters for helping us spread the word about this exciting new venture. Now, let's get it started. Thank you.